Remember, smile, and don't forget to say, I hear you. Again, smile, and don't forget to say, I hear you.
I need designers to design something.
Design something.
Something for...
Something for the cause.
Design what?
Something innovative.
Design.
What?
Design.
Design.
Manipulation.
Design.
Design manipulation.
Unconscious.
Cerebral.
Design manipulation.
No emotion.
No art.
No art for this country.
Design.
Create.
What?
Propaganda.
No art for this country.
Design propaganda.
How do you want us to design propaganda?
Propaganda. Something that makes one think they're thinking when they're not.
Design something that will make one feel a certain way.
No feelings, only ideas.
Correct, no feelings.
Get control of your emotions.
I'll get better control of my emotions because the only emotions that I feel is hatred.
Chill.
Design propaganda.
What am I making?
You're designing, not making.
Designing propaganda?
Medium. Am I designing a poster?
No poster.
What am I designing?
Propaganda.
What am I designing specifically to create propaganda? A broadcast? A commercial? What? What is the propaganda of? What?
You'll design for a public performance. A theater event on war efforts against the theologians. One of you will design the costume, another will design the set, and another will design the lights.
Who's directing this event?
Our president, of course.
You want me to direct a play? A propaganda play on war efforts?
A pro-war play. Something to gain the favor of the kids in Neverland. Propaganda is necessary so that the kids pledge allegiance with us over the new Jesus movement. Everyone must know that this war is a necessary one and an action worth all resources.
So we're designing a play. Why was it so hard to say we're designing a fucking play? Designing a pro-war play.
What is the play?
It's a classic.
What?
Mother Courage and Her Children.
I'm certain that's not a pro-war message.
Design it as if it were a pro-war message. There's much that could be gained from a war.
Power.
Profits.
Power.
Profits!
Remember, designers, the key to propaganda is to make one think they're thinking when they're not. Whatever happens, don't let me down. Don't let the kids down.